Representing an advance in quick starting and fast loading for standby power applications, the CAT G3512 gas generator set can start and accept 100% load from a cold start in as little as 7.5 seconds. Ideal for emergency, legally required or optional standby systems, the G3512 is appropriate for office buildings, data centers, retail complexes, schools, government buildings, universities, and research facilities.
So when it comes time to needing this gen set, it's capable of having a quick start. You can start the gen set up, and very quickly it's able to take on that load and supply power to your facility when you need that power. After initiating start, the engine is ready to accept load in 7 seconds.
The quick start capability is a significant advance from previous models, which took 40 seconds to ramp up and accept 100% load.
Our Gas 3512 is one of the first of its kind, quick starting to accept load in 7.5 seconds, and can be used in some of the same applications that a diesel genset in the past has normally been used.
Along with taking on 100% load in a single quick step, the G3512 can also execute a 100% load dump, which is unique for a gas generator set.
100% load steps are difficult for gas gen sets typically because it'll end up shutting the engine down. This product was developed so that it could still continue running and being able to take on additional load steps after that dump and continue to supply power. As your electrical needs change, as they move up and down, the engine can adapt to those changes. You can do load steps, load dumps, and the engine will always be there available to support those needs that you have on your site.
For a package solution, the CAT G3512 is also available in a customized enclosure.
The difference of an install time of an enclosure like this is that you can put this down on the ground and be running that same day. So we installed everything inside the container, such as the radiator and silencer. You minimize the time that the customer spends on site installing the application. And by doing that, the customer buys a plug-and-play type application.